easier starts, outstanding durability, and a power-to-weight ratio that gives you commercial-duty cutting performance without the extra weight. Get it all with the Makita 61cc professional chainsaw. The 4.6 horsepower engine is engineered for fast acceleration and more efficient cutting. It also has improved combustion efficiency for reduced fuel consumption and lower emissions. Makita Easy Start is a spring-assisted starter with low RPM ignition coil. That means 30% lower rope pull resistance and faster, easier starts. At the core is a two-piece magnesium crankcase for less weight and improved durability. The heavy-duty cartridge air filter system is built for extended filter life and less maintenance. It weighs only 13 pounds with features like single-touch engine stop and a dampening system engineered for less vibration, easier starts, outstanding durability, and commercial-duty cutting performance without the extra weight.
Oh man, it's powerful, easy start, chain is awesome. It's just, you can feel the power in your hands.